get started. So today we are going to talk about another beautiful extension, and it's actually called auto rename tag. Let me show you why actually I need it. So assume that you have written an element and at a certain point in time you realize that it should not be this, it should be something else. Let's say for over here I decided that it should be header at first point, and to be precise it should be header of the size 1, but at a later point I decided no, it should be header 2. And when I rename the starting tag, the ending did not change. It should be changed, right? Let me do it the opposite way. What if I rename the ending tag? The starting should be changed, but it is not changed because by default Visual Studio Code does not give you that feature. So as a lazy programmer, I hate doing things like this, which does not make sense at all, again and again. So for that we are going to install a extension called auto rename tag. There we go. So I have already installed it, but I have disabled it. Let me renable it. Lovely. Now let me show you what would happen if I would try to change them again and again. So let's start from the starting tag. What if I decided it should be edge 2? Whoa, it's changing the ending too. So what if I try to do it from the ending tag first, and then try to change it first? As you can see, it's changing the starting tag too. So this was another beautiful plugin called the auto rename tag, and it will make your life easier.